You want snacks? Okay.
Snacks.
Yeah. Good girl.
Oh, is this a fish skin?
Yeah. Hi, I'm Ken. Can I take some photos for them?
Yeah.
Where do you rescue them?
Arya, my partner rescued. When she first came to him, she was very badly abused. Yeah, so she had anxiety. She don't like any other dogs. This is the first dog apparently. When she came, she
Immediately.
attached. After that, my partner decided to adopt her, Terus.
I actually collaborate with Alps Natural. Then the two, there are two. Oh, they already know.
They normally eat Alps also.
Oh, they can have this also.
Oh,
This is.
I bought this before.
Oh, they like this one.
They like